I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper Shuriken. First, gather 2 square sheets of paper, preferably 8 by 8 inches for a good size. Take one sheet and fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a center crease. Now, fold both the top and bottom edges of that sheet inward, aligning them perfectly with the center crease you just made. This forms a long, narrow rectangle, which is our foundational shape. Next, take each of your narrow rectangles and fold them in half crosswise, then unfold to establish a new center line. This crease is crucial for the next step. Now, fold the top right corner down to meet the center crease, and the bottom left corner up to meet the same crease. Flip the paper over. You'll see 2 small triangles. Fold these top and bottom triangles inward, creating a parallelogram shape for each module. Now it's time to bring your 2 modules together. Lay one module flat, then place the second module directly on top of it, forming a cross shape. This is where the magic happens. Take the top flap of the bottom module and fold it over the top module, tucking it securely into the pocket created by the top module. Rotate your Shuriken 90 degrees and repeat this process for the remaining 3 flaps, ensuring each is tucked in tightly. With all 4 flaps tucked in, your paper Shuriken is almost complete. Take a moment to adjust each of the 4 points, making sure they are sharp and symmetrical. Gently press down on the center of the Shuriken to flatten it and secure all the folds. This helps the Shuriken hold its shape firmly. Congratulations! You've successfully crafted a classic 8-pointed paper Shuriken, a fun and satisfying origami project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.